Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming power and physical connection. Check the case shows charge. If below 10%, plug in immediately. Use an Apple-certified lightning cable or MagSafe pad. Uncertified cables can block charging. Inspect the lightning port, hinge area, and AirPod contacts for lint or corrosion. Remove debris with a wooden toothpick and compressed air in short bursts. Once done, reseat the AirPods firmly in their slots so metal contacts meet. Make sure the case lid closes fully before moving on. Now you perform a reset and gather diagnostics. With the AirPods in the case, press and hold the rear setup button for about 15 seconds until the LED flashes amber then white. This clears pairing errors that can stop charging recognition. Next, swap to a different outlet and a known good cable or charger to rule out power sources. Then pair to your iPhone and check the Bluetooth battery widget and firmware version. Outdated firmware or pairing glitches often reveal themselves here. Finish by addressing hardware faults and offering one key troubleshooting tip. If the case never holds charge, the case battery or charging module likely needs replacement. You can swap it at Apple or an authorized service provider. Clean contact pins gently with 70% isopropyl on a cotton swab and let everything dry for 5 minutes before testing. If charging still fails, note the serial and purchase date and request a diagnostic from Apple support. This is the fastest way to confirm a failing battery or logic issue and get a repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.